Hello guys, so today I will be doing a mini MALLTIME since I was gonna text this girl. I don't know what I call it. Today I'll be doing a mini MALLTIME since this girl called Alka, I don't know what it's called, gave because she honestly, I think she gave me one thing off my wish list. I can't remember, but I think she did. And yeah, let's do a mini MALLTIME. Yay! Oh my god, she gave me so many gifts. Okay, I'm just gonna put recording. I'm just gonna type this girl, okay, a girl, I mean boy. Okay, I'll see in a second. Okay, I'll see in a second. Okay, so let's open the first thing. Hopefully it's something good. Oh my god, this is from my wish list. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you. We have flowery curls. I actually kind of like those. They look really lush on me. Flowers. That was on my wish list too. I think she bought my whole wish list. I don't know. Ponytail cutie. Yeah, that's actually looking really good. I like that. What's this? These are short survivals, really nice jeans. I really like them. Well, not jeans, shorts. Yeah, shorts. And wow, I think. Oh my god. Cry. What? Why are you crying? I did nothing. I promise. Cry. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Okay. Oh yeah. Yep. What we got? Oh, I love these lashes. They're honestly my favorite. I'm so happy. I love this girl. Ah, she's so cute. I love her. Oh my god, thank you. I love those shorts. They're so cute. I always used to have them. Not too much. Yeah, I have I always wanted that. And I finally got it from someone. Last gift is that actually looks kind of cute. And yeah. By the way, I don't know, but it's still on my thingy, so I think I'll just remove it. Let's see. She gave me 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 gifts. Like, wow. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, I know it's kind of short, but at least it's a video, I guess. By the way, at the end of the video, I always make looks of people or something. I don't know. I always like make looks and put some music on. It's just so different. How do you take this off? I know how to take it off. It's very simple. Indeed, very simple. So go to accessories And if you have, for example, this, just click it and it's gone. Cool. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.